Hello everybody, this is Dr. Neerav here from Accord Hospitals, Faridabad. I am the Director of Adult and Pediatric Cardiac Surgery, and we routinely do all forms of adult and pediatric cardiac surgery over this place in Accord Hospital. Today we will be talking about minimally invasive cardiac surgery. What minimally invasive cardiac surgery is like the same surgery that we do upon the heart, like a bypass surgery or a valve replacement surgery or a pediatric cardiac surgery for closing the holes. Instead of going and reaching the heart through the midline, that is from the sternum or from this breastbone, we don't cut this and we approach the heart from the side of the chest. Like for valve replacements, we go through the left side of from the right side of the chest. And for bypass surgery, we go from the left side of the chest. So why this technique was developed? Actually, this is now a routine practice to do minimally invasive cardiac surgery. There are various advantages of it. The biggest advantage of it is that patients go home earlier and their perception of pain, their feeling of pain is quite less. In fact, we are discharging patients on 4th or 5th post-operative day after this surgery, minimally invasive, and they go home walking, they are allowed to climb stairs and they can do every kind of movement. In fact, just after 2 weeks of heart surgery, they can drive as well. They are the best part of this surgery. This is also useful in elderly people because in elderly people what happens is after cutting from the breastbone, they develop long standing pains and they tend to develop a stooping posture. And because this form of surgery produces lesser pain and there is no cut on the main chest bone of the individual, these people have a tendency not to develop this chronic complications of opening the chest. And for younger patients, it has a very great cosmetic advantage because the incision is actually lesser than 2 inches. Sometimes even it is around just 5 centimeter. So cosmetic advantage, pain advantage of lesser pain, advantage of going home and rehabilitation, a quicker rehabilitation. Those kind of advantages are there in minimally invasive surgeries. And in Accord Hospitals, we as a team are regularly doing minimally invasive cardiac surgery, not only for the valve replacements, but for bypass surgery as well. Important word that though these surgeries are routinely done, but still not all people are suitable. So we have to evaluate the patient, not only the papers, not only the angiography, but the patient as a whole before we decide that this patient is suitable for minimally invasive cardiac surgery. Thank you.